We'll guide you through how to make charts in Notion. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To get started, go to your browser so you can reach the site you need. When it opens, type Notion in the search bar and then run the search so the results can load. When the page shows a list of links, click the top web link that appears, since that will take you to the right place. After the site opens, look at the private section on the left side and click the plus button to add a new page. When the new page appears, type a title that fits your purpose so the page is easy to tell apart from the others. Once you have named it, click inside the page and type /chart so the chart options will show up. Pick one of the chart styles you want to use. For example, you can choose the vertical chart if you want a simple layout. After selecting it, click New Empty Data Source so the chart has room for your data. Then click the Data tab on top to view the data included in your chart. Inside this view, you can start adding names for the data so the labels match your needs. You can also set the status of each data point by left-clicking the status field. When the small menu opens, click Edit Property to make changes. Then click the plus button inside the menu and give the new status a name that fits your setup. You can also add a color to the status so it stands out clearly. After finishing that, left-click the status again and pick the one you want to apply to that row. When the data is ready, go back to the chart view to see how the results look. From there, you can edit the chart by clicking the setting button on the right side. Inside the settings, you can choose another chart type if you want a different look. You can also choose which property you want to show in the What to Show option, so the chart only displays the details that matter to you. If you want more control, you can adjust your chart slices by clicking the Slice By option and selecting how you want the chart to split the information. This helps you shape the chart to show data in a way that is easier to read. After making all these adjustments, your chart will be ready and you can update it anytime by changing the data.